Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is July the 15th. Today we will be looking at Bitcoin as the chart of the day. Here is the 90 minutes time frame, which is basically similar to the 1 hour here. Now, in eSignal, we got a lot of this bad data tick, the fixed spike. So we're going to be checking out the trading view as well, so that we have uh, the right level. Okay. So from the time being, what we are looking at, if you look at the short term here, we are calling this move up as a 5 ways up ending A. This is the B. And then now looking for the C, you can see it has broken above the previous peak. So we do have a high structure here favoring the bulls, at least in the short term, right? At least in the short term. So we're just going to be looking at the short term today. I'm not going to be talking about the long term and so on. So if I zoom out on the 4 hour, right? And then I copy this. This is A here, which is right here. And this is the B. So basically we're looking for a select which has already broken above the previous peak, and basically you can just simply measure the extension like this to get the projected level of target here, which is this area. But like I said, this is a lot of fixed spike, bad tick. So we're gonna double check with the trading view, making sure that we got the best number, the best level. So here is the trading view, Bitcoin. This is the A, and now this one, I think the B would be here based on this, because this one is actually above here, and then in here this one is below. So that's why I think there's a lot of bad tick here, which is making things a little bit complicated now, right? But let's use the trading view. This is Binance from the lows to this high. Right, there's a lot of bad tick, like I said, and then we can use this one. So basically we have an upside target according to the trading view around 68,891 to 73,864. In eSignal is around 68,500 and 72,900. So I think you can actually use the eSignal target here, because this one 68,500 is lower than 68,900. So it's a more conservative for that reason, right? So yeah, so you can use this one as the potential target on the upside. So for now, in the short term, pullback should be expected to find support in 3 swing or 7 swing for upside extension, as long as it stays above 57,576 here. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. I'll see you guys again next time. If you do want to get more regular updates on crypto, Forex, stocks, feel free to check our service. New members can get the 14-day trial to try our service. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.